morning, class. Welcome to another lesson. Today we'll look at this inequality. So to start, we need to get rid of this minus 1. In order to get rid of that minus 1, we add 1 to all three sides. So in the middle, we will add 1. On the right hand side, it becomes 1 plus 1. And on the left hand side, it becomes minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 less than x over 3 minus 1 cancels with plus 1, so that is less than or equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. If we want to cancel out the divide by 3, we need to multiply by 3. So it becomes minus 1 times 3 is less than x over 3 times 3 is less than or equal to 2 times 3. If we simplify this, minus 1 times 3 is minus 3 is less than. 3 cancels out to 3, so that becomes x is less than or equal to 6. And this is our solution. Minus 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. Of course, we might be asked to show this on a number line. And if we are showing this on a number line, we first draw our x-axis. We then draw a smaller number, which is minus 3. Then our larger number, which is 6. Since this is a strictly less than sign, we put an open circle here. This is a less than or equal to sign. Therefore, we put a closed circle here. Now, since x lies between these two numbers, we therefore draw a line between these two circles. And that is your representation on the number line. Alternatively, you might be asked to show this in interval notation. So then we say x is an element of open brackets minus 3 and a closed bracket around 6. The open bracket is because we have a strictly sign, and the closed bracket or the hard bracket is because we have a less than or equal to sign. So when you have an equal to sign, we use a hard bracket. And that will be it for this lesson. Thanks for joining in, and see you guys on the next one.